Adams here with Infinity Investing. I wanted to give you an overview of some of the unique aspects of our real estate education because a lot of you are thinking, man, how do I learn more about this? Where can I take some classes? And really, COVID has been a huge change on education because even grandma and grandpa know how to use Zoom. And that's been really great for us because prior to COVID, many of us at Infinity were spending a lot of nights out on the road. And now we've been able to convert that to Zoom. And so I want to just highlight for you some of the things that we're doing at Infinity because I think they're going to be valuable for you and really interest you in moving forward with us. First and foremost, we are not a seminar company. All of the educators at Infinity are investors who are out doing these strategies. So the partners at Infinity own a huge law firm, a huge tax firm, and huge real estate businesses. We're not teachers under the traditional kind of mindset. We're attorneys and CPAs and stock traders and property managers and developers and real estate investors. For example, I run the real estate side. I spend all of my week doing deals. And then on the weekend, I'll come and teach about the strategies that I've been doing all week. My partner, Toby Mathis, is a tax and legal expert who is working with and for his clients during the week, who then will come and teach. And that's very unique about Infinity. Now, I know a lot of you are looking for live and in-person trainings, and we do those every month. And we'd love to have you join us at one of our live and in-person trainings. But we also have a combination I think that's really beneficial. We've recorded curriculum. We have these classes on these topics that you're going to be interested in. Flipping properties, trading stocks, setting up an online trading campaign, buying manufactured homes, being a developer, buying apartment complexes, going to foreclosure auctions. We've created individual 3 to 4 hour training classes that you can get online at our Infinity Investing portal and watch and learn from. And we find that a lot of our students love that aspect of that on-demand education. But people like real and people like live. And so every week, for example, on Mondays, I do a Zoom with all of our Infinity Investing students that's pure Q&A. So students will email me a deal or they'll send me a video of a property they're looking at and I'll help them do the budget on them or I'll help them run the numbers on a project they're thinking about buying. And I'll bring in one of my experts occasionally to help with that. And we allow students to email us those questions. So imagine that you watch a video on tax liens and then before you go to the next tax lien sale, you hop on that Monday call with me and you have a whole list of questions you want answered. Or maybe after the sale, you want access again. So that's a very unique component of what we offer in terms of live weekly. Then once a month, we have a physical live event that we host. It's called our Summit. And we bring in our Infinity investors, we bring in all of our teams, we bring in the lawyers and the CPAs, and you are able to attend that event live and in person. We hold it generally at my offices in Indianapolis, and it's a 3-day training, and that's why we call it our Cash Flow Summit. The combination of on-demand classes that you could watch walking on the treadmill, the weekly rooms that you can come into for stock and real estate, and then the monthly summit that you can come to live and in person, we have found really completes the loop for people. So if you're in this phase of finding classes and getting into real estate and getting into stock, we have that for you in Infinity Investing, and we kick that off every month with a free full-day training. Click on the link below. Please join me for that training and use that as the starting point for us to help show you whatever path you want to follow, what those very next steps are. So I appreciate you taking a few moments for me today to hear about what we offer, and I look forward to having you join me virtually or live and in person very soon.